Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we are going to unbox brand new smartwatch. So this is the Z17C. It's a fitness tracker and we are going to look at the specification and some of the function that this watch has. So first we have a 12 to 14 hours time of work. We have alarm clock. We have a call reminder, battery. It has a display on screen, sleep monitor, waterproof, sedentary alarm, sport mode. We have 3 auxiliary sensor. We have a heart rate sensor. It has a 0.96 inch screen. It weighs 25 grams. It has a 90 mAh lithium battery. In standby mode, it will last 7 to 10 days. It charges in about 45 minutes. And it has 8-day data storage. This smart bracelet, it has blood oxygen, sport pedometer, heart rate monitor, hand off page, GPS tracker in app, hang up, SMS reminder, personalize, one key monitoring, sleep management, calories, distance tracking, and inactivity reminder. So this was some of the function that this smartwatch has. In the box are included the watch, the charger, and user manual. So let's take a look at the app of the smartwatch. So these are some of the options. This is the first page. So this is the screen. Here at the bottom we have the touch key, so it's a hidden touch button here, and it has a rubber bands. It's more rough rubber. In the bottom we have the sensor and charging point. So it's not that flexible, but it's then good in your hand. So if you go to first or main page, you can press and hold and it's gonna change the main page. So it has 3 different. This is the third main page. Next it has heart rate, and has steps, calories, distance, sleep monitoring, and take a photo, message, and here's the weather. After you connect with your phone, it's going to show the real-time weather. So now if you go to heart rate, we can activate it. Now it's gonna measure our heart rate. Let's give it a try and see how it measures. Now let's wait a little bit. So as you guys can see, it's showing the real-time heart rate. We have steps, calories, distance, etc. So the other option will show after the watch is connected with the phone. Here we have take a photo. We can take a photo if we are connected with our phone in the app, and we have message, so it's going to notify from other different apps or SMS, call, everything that is included in the app. So it says good in your hand. It's very comfortable and it looks good. So this was all for this smartwatch, and in the next video we're going to show you how to connect your smartwatch with the app. So to see that, please subscribe our channel and turn the notification on. See you in the next video.